Hello guys, hello everyone. Today I will test and I will tell you about my experience using Vertux Malaga head um, headset, right? So the I've been using this headset for around 2 months. The quality, like the quality of this headset is not actually bad at all. I think they're pretty good for its price. But the only problem I have with this headset is the microphone. Like the microphone is not bad. This is the microphone that you're hearing right now. Is the mic? I'm using the microphone from this mic, right? So, but the only problem that I have is like it's clear, but the problem is that it's super loud. That's why I have to turn this microphone down. As you can see here, if I'm now it's set to 100% and it's super loud, and if I turn it to 35 40%, then it's fine. It's good. I mean, I'm not complaining with this microphone. The only problem I have is that it's loud when I'm using my phone, my iPhone. Then there is a problem because on your iPhone, on your phone, there's no setting. As far as I know, I don't think there is a setting. There's a way to turn the microphone down. And when I'm using the microphone, this headset for Discord, you can't turn the sensitivity of the mic a little bit down. You can't do it, but on your computer you can do it, which is fine. I think the microphone is pretty good for its price. But that's this short review that I have for you. Like the headset quality is it's okay. I mean, it's fine for its price. I don't know what's the price in your country, but for in here in Italy, I think it's just fine. It's the price is good. Everything it's fine for its price. It's good. But the only problem, as I said, is the microphone. Is that it's super lubby labby loud. It's super loud on your phone. Like a lot of people told me on Discord that I'm destroying their ear. It's super loud on Discord. Like you have to literally pull him, like to move it away from your mouth in order to communicate with your friend. Otherwise, they will just have a hard time talking with you because your voice is super loud. So that's my review for you guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.